Best subwoofer car in 2025. Top 5. Subwoofer for your cars revealed. If you're looking for the best car subwoofer in 2025, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 subwoofers that deliver deep, powerful bass and transform your driving experience. We've considered performance, durability, price, and real user feedback to bring you the very best options this year. All the product links are listed in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 1, Yanka 12-inch subwoofer. The Yanka BSF 12.4 is a true powerhouse, delivering up to 1600 watts max power and 800 watts RMS. It features a 12-inch paper cone paired with a sleek black aluminum basket, not only for stunning bass, but also for a stylish look in your car interior. With a 2.5-inch dual voice coil, 4-ohm impedance, and a sensitivity of 87 dB, it seamlessly integrates into most car audio systems. The advanced Y35 magnet and competition-grade specs make this subwoofer capable of outperforming over 90% of setups in its class. If you're craving deep resonant bass with durability for everyday use, the Yanka 12-inch is a beast. Number 2, Gravity 2X 8-inch 1200 watt car subwoofer. Next up, the Gravity Warzone dual voice coil subwoofer. With a 1200 watt max output, this compact yet powerful 8-inch setup packs a punch. It's designed with a competition-grade pressed paper cone and high-roll foam surround, engineered to produce incredibly deep and dynamic bass. The advanced airflow cooling system ensures consistent performance even during long jam sessions. This is a great pick if you want hard-hitting bass without taking up too much trunk space. Number 3. Pile Car Vehicle Subwoofer Audio Speaker. If you're on a budget but still want quality, the Pile 6.5-inch subwoofer is a solid choice. Offering 600 watts peak and 300 watts RMS, it's compact, yet delivers strong resonance with its 30 Ohms magnet and dual 4-ohm voice coil. It also comes with a treated foam surround and a non-pressed paper cone, giving it durability and a clean sound. Installation is easy thanks to its 2.9-inch mounting depth, making it perfect for cars, boats, or even RVs. For those who want affordable performance with easy installation, the Pile subwoofer is worth considering. Number 4, Rockville Punisher Competition Car Audio Subwoofer. For serious bass lovers, the Rockville Punisher is a monster. Delivering up to 3000 watts peak and 750 watts RMS, this subwoofer is built for competitions and high-performance setups. It comes with a Kevlar reinforced cone for strength, dual 2-ohm voice coils for flexible wiring, and a cast aluminum basket that minimizes distortion. With its oversized 2.5-inch voice coil, it handles heat like a pro, giving you consistent performance even at high volume. If you want ground-shaking bass and long-lasting durability, the Rockville Punisher is built for you. Number 5, Scar Audio Power Dual 2-Ohm Car Subwoofer. Finally, we have the Scar Audio 8-inch Dual 2-Ohm Subwoofer. Compact yet powerful, it delivers 300 watts peak and 150 watts RMS. With its high-strength pressed paper cone, foam surround, and advanced airflow cooling design, it offers clean, distortion-free bass. The frequency response ranges from 30 Hz to 350 Hz, making it ideal for capturing low-end detail in your music. This is a great choice if you're looking for a smaller subwoofer with excellent clarity at an affordable price. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best car subwoofers in 2025. Whether you're after competition-level bass, a budget-friendly upgrade, or a compact solution, there's an option here for you. All the links to these subwoofers are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy driving with that deep bass.